forces out. The Magisterium has to begin moving a party out. So now, Perfect Material. September Morning, Danari inside Gracious Sosa. Then followed by Stormtrooper and Lucky Lorky is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Perfect Material by our Hapalenka. Danari inside September Morning. 4 lengths away in third, Gracious Souls moving a party outside for Stormtrooper. Magisterium in fifth, and Lucky Lorky trails the field by about 7 to 8 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Perfect Material by our Alenka Hapa. September Morning is still in second, and in third, Stormtrooper Magisterium. Danori inside fourth, Gracious Host and Lucky Lorky. And it's still Perfect Material moving up September Morning. Magisterium, Stormtrooper on the outside. Perfect Material moving up Magisterium. Stormtrooper is on the outside. September Morning in fourth. Then comes Lucky Lorky. And it's still Perfect Material by Oralenka. Magisterium moving a party outside second. September Morning, Stormtrooper. Perfect Material moving a party outside now is Magisterium. Magisterium takes the lead. Danori inside is Perfect Material. Magisterium, Perfect Material, Lucky Lorky. And finally, Magisterium, Perfect Material, Lucky Lorky. Then comes September Morning, Stormtrooper, Gracious Host.
Kung hindi segundo, tercero, no? Si Lucky Lorky.
Ganda pa yung